AT&T and Justice Department continue battle over $85.4 billion Time Warner acquisition. More than 2 years after AT&T announced of Time Warner, the telecom giant and the Justice Department are still battling over the legality of the deal. Lawyers for AT&T and the Justice Department presented arguments Thursday before a panel of 3 judges as part of the DOJ's appeal of a decision in June that the acquisition could proceed. The 3 D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals judges, David Santel, Robert L. Wilkins and Judith Rogers, gave little indication that they believed Leon had erred. They have until February to deliver their verdict, which will have major ramifications for other media and telecom mergers. During questioning, Rogers pointed out that AT&T had agreed to and to not black out its channels in the event of a carriage disagreement. Blackouts often happen when cable TV programmers look for higher prices from distributors. When the 2 sides cannot come to an agreement, it is common for channels to. Lawyers for the Justice Department had argued that an all-powerful AT&T, which owns DirecTV, could significantly hurt competitors such as Dish by blacking out popular channels like CNN, TNT, TBS or HBO, which AT&T acquired in the Time Warner deal. While AT&T has pressed ahead with the integration of parts of Turner, it had agreed to hold off on any tie-ups between its Turner Broadcasting unit and its DirecTV division until February. Paul Gallant, an analyst for investment bank Cohen & Company, said in an investor note on Thursday that he did not expect the acquisition to be derailed. "Bottom line, we see AT&T prevailing," Gallant wrote. Gallant told NBC News that Rogers' questions appeared skeptical of the Justice Department's position. "Courts are ultimately a black box," Gallant said. "Judge Rogers is key. She appears to be the swing vote on this battle, and her questions seemed more skeptical of the Justice Department than AT&T. While AT&T's deal has already endured a drawn-out approval process, the D.C. Circuit Court may not be its last stop. Whichever side loses, it could ask the Supreme Court to review the case. Claire Atkinson is the senior media editor for NBC News.